This brand is a subsidiary of Burnham Holdings Inc. and the boilers are available through dealers in parts of the USA, but they only have an average guarantee when compared to other brands. The CGF series offers cast iron atmospheric boilers in 4 sizes. They have intermittent pilots and automatic vent dampers for added efficiency, but they use spark to pilot ignition, which is not as reliable and requires more maintenance than hot surface ignition systems. The PVCG-C models are induced draft boilers that can be direct vented, so a conventional chimney is not required, but they only have an 84% AFUE efficiency rating. The GHE-II models are high-efficiency boilers that are wall-mounted, and they feature an integrated pump which makes installation quicker and easier. They have a rate-based boiler water temperature reset where the water temperature is adjusted based on the heating rate, and they use adaptive combustion technology which ensures a clean, efficient burn. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.